All new 2019 Acura RDX production begins. But Acura needs this $54 million investment to pay off. The Acura RDX has been around since 2007 and it's since become a vital crossover for the luxury brand. The third-generation RDX was revealed in full at this year's New York Auto Show and production is now underway. Acura made the official announcement that yesterday, May 15th, the first 2019 RDXs began rolling off the assembly line in East Liberty, Ohio. The new RDX, according to Acura, is a clean-sheet, top-to-bottom redesign of its hot-selling 5-passenger compact luxury crossover. Its prosperity is so essential to the brand, truth be told, that Acura put some $54 million in new advancements and generation strategies at the Ohio office. The new RDX, the original that was totally composed and created in America, is the main new model that uses Acura's new exactness made execution manufacture reasoning. For instance, there's another roller trimming process for the vehicle's additional wide all-encompassing moonroof, and the utilization of superior raw auxiliary cements for upgraded body and flexibility. There's even another multi-layer paint framework for premium shading choices. It's likewise imperative to take note of the 2019 RDX is based on a selective stage, whose wheelbase is 2.6 inches longer than that of its quick ancestor. General length is expanded by 2.5 inches, in this way taking into consideration extra traveler and load space. In light of this minor development spurt, Acura chose to drop the past V6 motor with the same direct infused and turbocharged 2.0-liter Tech 4-chamber we've come to see in other new Hondas. Add-up-to yield is evaluated at 272 horsepower and 280 pounds-to-foot of torque. The old V6 offered 279 horsepower and 252 pounds-to-foot. Power goes to either the front or each of the four wheels, by means of the superb and most recent super-handling all-wheel drive framework, through a 10-speed programmed transmission. Since 2006, the Acura RDX has been the best-offering conservative extravagance hybrid in the US, and the automaker has no goal of enabling that to change. #Acura #info Automotives